Welcome back, friends, and I'm going to review a unit for you. This is the Didnt Wigs Kiss Part Orbit unit. It looks like this. I found it in my beauty supply store, but you can try to look for it online on eBay or Amazon. I said I was going to start shopping on Amazon for my wigs. I went to like 4 beauty supply stores, could not find the unit that I wanted, and then the units that I did want, as you'll see with this one, but I just went ahead and grabbed it. It still may not compliment me the way I want it to. The units that I did want, they didn't have in my color. Like, and all the blonde units are dark up front and then blonde to the bottom. I don't know why companies do that. But we want 27. If I want 27, I want 27, not 1B27. So I ended up getting this one, which is OET 1B30. I don't even want 30. I don't want 30. I'm trying to get that orange away from me. And I think I said that to you guys before. But I am just not having any luck. So I started looking online. But I think I'm going to start checking Amazon, not Amazon, AliExpress. Number one, it's a lot cheaper. Number two, they have more colors. Even Amazon. Amazon, when you choose a wig, the darker colors are cheaper than the 27 and the 1B. As soon as you choose blonde, it goes up by like $50, $60. And then Divatress.com, Ebony Online, Sam's Beauty, you choose a wig, and that one goes up by $2 once you start getting in the colors, $2 or $3, which I don't mind. But then when you click on it, they don't have that color. So it's just draining. So I think I'm going to just try to find one spot and stick to it. This does not come with any lace. It has... Oh, and I didn't know that either. No combs. Let's see how tight this is on my head. Y'all know I don't glue my wigs down. This has no freaking combs, but it does have an adjustable strap. So what I may have to do, I'm going to move the straps over, because I know my head's small. I'm going to move them all the way over and see if I can get away. And I'm trying to cap this time. I thought I was going to have to pull this off because I like my combs for security. But since there's no combs at all. Okay, so it's very snug. I move the adjustable straps over to pretty much close to the middle. I may have to cut right here because this comes, see it? I may have to cut that because I wear glasses. And this comes all the way down. I don't have to glue it. I'm also looking for something, because my head is down a lot at work. I'm also looking for something that's not going to be so much in my face. This looks like it'll take really good to me clamping it. This is the middle. And I was trying to see if I can even just do that. I don't need to, do you see how deep that part is? I don't need to tweeze the part. I am going to put a little bit of powder in between it, but I don't feel like I need to tweeze it. They gave me a pretty much deep part. And then, since it doesn't, let's see the right side. This is the right side, which is where I love to wear my parts at. You guys tell me what's more complimenting. The right side, and I would still have to put it back for work because I can't look at my paperwork and do what I need to do without that hair falling in my face every 10 minutes. But this is the right side. And I'm thinking about getting a short bob. I'm thinking about getting a bob, a wavy bob like this, an asymmetrical bob. This is the right side. I'm going to come home tonight and wet it and tie it down on the mannequin head so I can get some of the humpiness out of it. It does take 360-degree heat. So I think right now I'm going to plug up my wand and put some mousse and see if I can lay it down a little bit. And this is the middle. This is the middle. Definitely going to have to go back in a ponytail for work because it's very droopy to my face and my head goes down a lot. I type a lot. I'm looking at paperwork a lot. I'm looking at invoices. So this may not be a reorder The combs thing doesn't bother me because it fits very, very snug and tight. But it may not be a reorder because it's so much in my face. I need something for work. I'm thinking about the Model JoJo or the Sensational Valencia. They're droopy, but then they start curling at the ends. That may be more for me. But I am going to put this in a clamp, plug my wand up, and try to lay the humpness down. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next video.